When kids lose it, I think one of the messages to remember, especially if you're dealing with significant trauma, social emotional background, anything like that, is that when the lid comes off, right? When the prefrontal cortex, which lands here in the brain, when the amygdala starts shoving cortisol into that prefrontal cortex, I'm coming back from art. I'm not in a good space. I don't know what just happened there. Neither do you. But you start to see the escalation. When that lid flips, our sole job is to get the lid back on. Anything we put in place is just to get the lid back on. And so when kids come to my office and people say, why are they, eating a cookie and, and having a glass of water, goldfish, I use goldfish for everything because they're magic. Why are they eating goldfish and drinking a glass of water when they flip their lid in my class? I said, because I got to get the lid back on before we can do anything with this kid. And then we can start teaching them, okay, when you're like this, Miss Polly's going to say, and this is what you're going to do. Now, if he goes in the bathroom, spits on somebody, breaks something, pushes somebody, he has to be held accountable for that too. So that means you don't get to go to the bathroom on your own for the next couple of days. That's it. You don't get that privilege anymore. You must be walked, because he has to have that piece of it too, regardless of what our causal factors are. We also know kids need to learn when they have pushed it too far. You want to put your head down and growl, and I say, you got this, buddy, take a moment, and you stop growling, but you don't pick your head up, we're good. But if you take it to the bathroom and shove somebody into a urinal or something, yeah, no, we're done.